What if you could create a fully animated explainer video in any language without editing a single frame? No camera, no editing skills, no expensive software. Today, I'm showing you an AI tool that can turn a simple prompt, document, or even an image into a complete whiteboard-style explainer video in minutes with voiceovers, animations, and structure done for you automatically. This is Golpo 2.0, and it's not just another flashy AI video generator. It's built specifically for clear communication, whether you're running a faceless YouTube channel, launching a startup product, training employees, teaching complex topics, or helping students prepare for SAT and entrance exams. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create powerful explainer videos from scratch using Golpo 2.0, how companies are using it for training and onboarding, how creators are running entire faceless channels without editing, and how you can turn simple ideas into professional animated videos in just minutes. Let's dive in and create our first AI-powered explainer video. Click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment to visit Golpo AI website. This is an AI-powered video creation tool right here. If you look down here, you will see various videos created with this particular tool, such as AI videos from image attachments, AI video generators for educators, AI marketing videos, multilingual AI videos, Golpo Sketchboard color style, and Golpo Sketchboard black and white style. I'm going to show you how to create explainer videos with this amazing AI tool. I will demonstrate how parents can help students prepare for the SAT and entrance exams, as well as how companies can create training and onboarding content. To get started, simply click on the Get Started button right here and log in with your Google account. You will be taken to a playground interface like this. This is where the magic happens. Let me walk you through the interface so we can start creating explainer videos. Over here is where you provide your prompt. You input a prompt, a topic, or a perspective on the kind of video you want to generate, and the AI will do its magic. You can also create explainer videos using attachments like images or documents. You just have to upload your image or document, and the AI will create an explainer video based on that content. Let's say you have created your own voiceover using 11 Labs or a Google text-to-speech tool. You simply have to upload the audio file here. Alternatively, you can record your own voice directly right here on the website. Next is script mode. If you have actually scripted your own video content, simply copy and paste your script here, and Golpo AI will generate the video for you in no time. Regarding the models, we have the 2.0, which is the current model. When you click on Preview, you can see some of the models and styles you can use. They have Chalkboard Color, Editorial RSA, Technical, Chalkboard White, Modern Minimal, and Playful. Under Sketch, they have Classic, Improved Beta, and Formal. Over here, you can actually upload your own recorded images or videos so that they are featured in the explainer video. Or you can record your screen right here, and Golpo AI will use that footage to create the video for you. If you want the content to be audio only, for example for podcasts on Spotify or YouTube, you simply toggle on Audio Only. This section here is optional. You can add additional details if you wish. Make sure you leave this setting checked if you want your video to be colored. However, if you want it in black and white, simply toggle this off. I will leave it on color because I want my video to be in color. Down here, you can add background music to the video you are creating. If you don't want any, simply leave it set to none. For the duration, they offer options ranging from 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes, which is massive. They also have a wide variety of AI voices available here. You can also select the aspect ratio, choosing between horizontal and vertical. Golpo AI features a wide range of languages, but of course, I'm creating this video in English, so I will leave it set to English. You can also add your company logo to the video. Now, I'm going to create an explainer video using this specific question you see right here. I will upload this question, and Golpo AI will solve it step by step, choose the right choice, and read it out loud. I'll go ahead and upload this now. I will toggle off script mode and upload my image. There it is, right here. Now I will enter a prompt. I'll give it a simple instruction. State the question out loud, solve step by step, and state the right choice out loud. I will select Golpo 2.0 right here and leave everything else as it is. Note this option, Edit Script. If you toggle Edit Script on, it enables you to edit the script before the video is created. However, I will not edit the script myself. I will let the AI do everything for me. For the duration, I will select my preference, which is 2 minutes. I will set my AI voice to female too. For orientation, since this is a long-form YouTube video, I will leave it on horizontal. If you are creating for TikTok or Instagram Reels, I suggest you go for vertical. I'll stick to horizontal for now. I will leave the language on English. For the style, as I showed you earlier, you can select any preference. I will go with Whiteboard right here. Now, click on Generate Video. I'll select Yes and click Continue. The video will start generating right here. Let's give it a moment to see what we get. The video is done generating. Let's check it out to see if Golpo AI was able to solve this specific SAT question as we expected. Let's play it.
The question is, the curve y equals x squared over 2 and the line y equals x over 2 intersect at the origin and at the point AB. What is the value of b? Let's solve this step by step. First, understand what an intersection point means. At any point where the two graphs intersect, they share the same x value and the same y value. That means both equations for y must be equal to each other. So we set the equations equal. We write x squared over 2 equals x over 2. To make this easier, clear the fractions by multiplying both sides by 2. That gives x squared equals x. Now bring everything to one side so we can solve. Subtract x from both sides. We get x squared minus x equals 0. Next, factor. Factor out x, which gives x times x minus 1 equals 0. Now solve each factor. From x equals 0, we get the intersection at the origin, which the problem already tells us about. From x minus 1 equals 0, we get x equals 1. This must be the x-coordinate of the other intersection point, so a equals 1. But the question is not asking for a, it is asking for b, the y-coordinate. So now we plug x equals 1 into either equation. Use the simpler one, y equals x over 2. Substituting x equals 1 gives y equals 1 over 2. We can quickly check using the other equation. 1 squared over 2 is also 1/2, so everything is consistent. Therefore, the value of b is 1/2, which is choice C.
That was amazing! That was truly amazing! You can also use this tool to generate corporate reports. I'm going to ask Golpo AI to explain the Xiaomi Annual Report 2025. Here is what I'm going to do. I will input my prompt right here. Explain Xiaomi Annual Report 2025. Just like I did before, I will select Golpo 2.0. I'm not going to add any images this time. I'll scroll down, and I can select the voice I want. Let me select a different style. I will use Modern Minimal. I will select the duration as 2 minutes, and then hit Generate Video. The second video is now generating. Let's give it a moment to see how it turns out. The Xiaomi Annual Report video has been generated. Let's go ahead and watch it.
As of February 2026, Xiaomi's official annual report for the year ended December 31st, 2025, may not yet be published. So this explanation focuses on how to read that report and what it is likely to show, based on Xiaomi's disclosed results through the first 3 quarters of 2025. Start with the big picture. Xiaomi is no longer just a smartphone company. It runs a 4-part ecosystem: smartphones, IoT and home appliances, internet services, and smart electric vehicles. The annual report is designed to show how these pieces fit together under Xiaomi's human, car, home strategy. The opening business review and CEO letter tell you the story management wants you to see. For 2025, expect emphasis on scaling the EV business, improving IoT profitability, pushing premium smartphones, and deepening ecosystem integration. This section sets the narrative, but the numbers matter more. The most important part is the management discussion and analysis. This explains why revenue and profit changed. It breaks growth into volume, pricing, and mix, and explains margin drivers like component costs, promotions, and operating expenses. This is where you see whether growth came from healthier business fundamentals or temporary factors. On the income statement, focus on revenue, gross margin, and operating profit. Xiaomi reports both IFRS profit and adjusted net profit. Adjusted profit removes items like share-based compensation and fair value changes, which management argues better reflects core performance. Investors should always reconcile the two. The balance sheet shows financial strength. Cash matters because EVs are capital intensive. Watch inventory levels, investment spending, and factory assets tied to vehicle production. The cash flow statement then answers a simple question. Does operating cash flow broadly support reported profit, or is growth consuming cash? Finally, read the segment results. In 2025, smartphones were stable with higher average selling prices. IoT crossed 1 billion connected devices with improving margins. Internet services remained the highest margin business, and EVs scaled past 400,000 deliveries, even reaching quarterly operating profitability. Taken together, the 2025 story is clear. Xiaomi's core businesses stayed strong, the ecosystem became financially visible, and the key question shifted from whether Xiaomi could build a car to whether it can scale EVs profitably without straining cash.
Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where you need to look at the bigger picture. I will return to the home page and click on Pricing. While there are smaller plans, if you are a company, a serious creator, or an agency, I highly suggest looking directly at the business plan. Here is why. The growth plan is $199 a month for 150 minutes, but the business plan at $499 a month gives you a massive 390 minutes of video generation. But it's not just about the extra time, it's about the power features that unlock at this level. The business plan is the only way to get frame-by-frame editing just by typing prompts, video generation from your own audio or video uploads, voice cloning capabilities, and screen recording for making instant product demos. You also get full cinematic control via video instructions and the ability to create long-form videos up to 10 minutes long. Now, $499 might sound like a bit of an investment up front, but let's be real for a second. If you were to hire a professional animator or editor on Upwork or Fiverr, a single high-quality explainer video could easily cost you $500 to $1,000 and take weeks to deliver. With Golpo AI 2.0's business plan, you are getting that same output in literally 10 minutes with no design skills needed for the price of one freelancer project. You can create dozens of videos a month for that flat rate. So in terms of value, it is honestly a steal. Also, I have a video on how YouTubers run faceless channels without editing using this particular tool. I will leave the link up in the corner or in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.